it's going to be a very memorable day for all of us, and of course for the promoters of Agarwal Tough and Class India Limited and their complete team. So before we start this beautiful morning, let's have a big round of applause for the company. Thank you so much. Well, I'm your host for the day, Khushbu Kapoor. And to begin with, may I request you all to kindly rise from your seats as we are now going to start it with the national anthem.
Jana Gana Mana Adhinayak Jaya He Bharat Bhagya Vidhata Punjab Sindh Gujarat Maratha Dravida Utkal Vanga Vindhya Himachal Yamuna Ganga Uchchal Jaladhi Taranga तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मागे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय जय जय
Let's say it all together. Bharat Mata ki Vande. Thank you so much. Please take your seats. So जिस तरह से आप सभी लोग जानते हैं कि आज लिस्टिंग सेरेमनी है और किसी भी शुभ कार्य की शुरुआत हम ईश्वर की वंदना, उनकी आराधना के साथ करते हैं. So आज के इस इवेंट का आगाज़ हम lamp lighting ceremony के साथ करना चाहेंगे. We are about to begin it with lamp lighting, and may I request Shri Swapnil Sagar Vitlani ji to please come forward. May I also request Shri Mahesh Kumar Agarwal ji, Parvati Murthy ji, Pankaj Dhanesha ji, Anita Agarwal ji, Sharda Agarwal ji, Sharda Devi Agarwal ji, Uma Shankar Agarwal ji. Would also like to request Mayur Agarwal ji, CA Rahul Khandelwal ji to kindly come forward and light up the auspicious lamp, and let's take the blessings of Lord Ganesha. Kindly proceed. So this is going to be a very auspicious beginning of the listing ceremony by having the blessings of Lord Ganesha. So गणेश जी की आराधना, उनकी वंदना और उनके आशीर्वाद के साथ दीप प्रज्वलन के साथ हम आज की लिस्टिंग सेरेमनी की शुरुआत कर रहे हैं. एक शुभ आगाज कर रहे हैं गणपति वंदना के साथ. गणपति जी जो कि विघ्नहर्ता है, मंगल मूर्ति गणेशा है, जिनके साथ से सभी कार्य सफल हो जाते हैं. सो गणेश जी, गणपति जी का आशीर्वाद लेते हुए हम आज के हमारे इवेंट की शुरुआत कर रहे हैं. और आप सभी की जोरदार तालियां भी होनी चाहिए. Thank you so much for lighting up the ceremonial lamp and for giving it an auspicious start. Thank you once again to all the dignitaries. Please take your seats. Ladies and gentlemen, now I request the directors of the company to welcome the guests with flowers. So we are now going to request Shri Mahesh Kumar Agarwal ji to please welcome Swapnil Sagar Vitlani ji, founder and director of Cumulative Capital Private Limited. We are doing the floral welcome here, so would like to present the bouquet to sir. Everyone put your hands together. Heartiest welcome to Swapnil Sagar Vitnanik ji. And may I now request Anita Agarwal ji to kindly come forward and please welcome Parvati Murthy ji, Associate Vice President, Primary Market Relationship, National Stock Exchange Limited. So यहाँ पर हम पार्वती मूर्ति जी का स्वागत करते हैं और स्वागत कर रहे हैं अनीता अग्रवाल जी. पार्वती मूर्ति जी is Associate Vice President, Primary Market Relationship, National Stock Exchange Limited. I would also like to request Uma Shankar Agarwal ji to please join us on the stage. Ladies and gentlemen, give him a big round of applause. Thank you so much. Now let's talk about the company. Our company was incorporated as Agarwal Tough and Class India Private Limited, and it started its operation in the year 2009. It was incorporated with the primary goal of becoming a recognized tough and class manufacturer. It possesses a range of tough and classes that meet the quality criteria set by the Bureau of Indian Criteria, that is BIS, to be used with the ISI label. ATGIL has a strong brand presence in the Indian market, and it provides a range of thickness and size options for hardened value-added classes. So that is a little brief about our company. और अब हम आगे बढ़ते हैं, and I would like to request Mrs. Anita Agarwal ji to come up on the dais and please say a few words. Let's have opening remarks from Mrs. Anita Agarwal ji. Give her a big round of applause, everyone. She is the Managing Director of Agarwal Tough and Class India Limited.
आप सभी को मेरा नमस्कार। अग्रवाल टफ एंड ग्लास इंडिया लिमिटेड परिवार में आप सभी का लिस्टिंग समारोह में स्वागत है। अत्यंत आभार के साथ मैं हमारे मान्य अतिथियों का धन्यवाद करती हूं जो यहां उपस्थित हैं और वर्चुअली हमारे साथ जुड़े हुए हैं। मुझे आपके सामने खड़े होकर बेहद गर्व और प्रसन्नता हो रही है। आज हम अपनी कंपनी की NSE इमर्ज प्लेटफॉर्म पर लिस्टिंग के लिए सभी का सम्मान आभार व्यक्त करते हैं, जो अग्रवाल टफ एंड ग्लास इंडिया लिमिटेड के लिए ऐतिहासिक कदम है। हमारी प्रतिभाशाली टीम के सदस्यों से लेकर हमारे निवेशकों, भागीदारों, हितधारकों तक हमारी कंपनी में आपका विश्वास हमें इस क्षण तक लाने में महत्वपूर्ण रहा है। हमारी कड़ी मेहनत वित्तीय उपलब्धि है। यह ATGIL यात्रा का हिस्सा रहे सभी लोगों की दृष्टि कड़ी मेहनत और समर्पण का परिणाम है। ATGIL कंपनी केवल एक कंपनी का नाम ही नहीं, बल्कि व्यावसायिक शब्दों में इसका मतलब एस्पायर, ट्रांसपेरेंसी, ग्रेटिट्यूड, इंस्पिरेशन, लीडर है। सन 2009 में एक निजी कंपनी से लेकर आज सूचीबद्ध होने तक का सफ़र काफ़ी प्रेरणाप्रद रहा है। हमें अपनी पहली वीर निर्माण इकाई स्थापित की और तब से सदैव भविष्य की ओर अग्रसित होकर हमने अग्रवाल ब्रांड नेम के तहत अपना उत्पाद का निर्माण शुरू किया। आज इस नए युग के लिए हमारे अग्रवाल ग्लास बाजार में शीर्ष भारतीय कंपनियों में एक अत्यधिक प्रतिष्ठित और विश्वसनीय ब्रांड बन गया। जैसे जैसे हम इस कदम को आगे बढ़ाते हैं, हम इसके साथ आने वाली जिम्मेदारियों को पहचानते हैं। हम इस चरण में पारदर्शिता, अखंडता और कॉरपोरेट प्रशासन को बनाए रखने के लिए प्रतिबद्ध हैं। हमारे आगे की यात्रा नवाचार, सतत विकास, हमारे शेयर धारकों और सभी हितधारकों के लिए दीर्घकालीन मूल्य बनाने पर केंद्रित होगी। यह लिस्टिंग की अभी शुरुआत है। अपने लक्ष्यों का विस्तार करने और कंपनी को आगे बढ़ाने के लिए तैयार एवं प्रतिबद्ध हैं। एक सफल लक्ष्य विभिन्न पक्षों द्वारा किए गए प्रयासों का पुरस्कार है और बिना समर्थन के बिना संभव नहीं होता। मैं इस अवसर पर एनएससी विनियामकों द्वारा समर्पित कर्मचारियों और निश्चित रूप से हमारे निवेशकों के प्रति अपनी गहरी कृतज्ञता व्यक्त करना चाहूँगी, जिन्होंने हम पर अपना भरोसा रखा। आपका साथ विश्वास हमारा सहयोगी बना रहेगा। मेरी सभी टीम के सदस्य, मर्चेंट, वर्कर, लीगल एडवाइज़र, एनएससी के अधिकारी बोर्ड में मेरे सहकर्मी, ऑडिटर, बैंकर, मीडिया एजेंसियां और सभी नियामक, हमारी यात्रा का हिस्सा बनने वाले सभी लोगों को एक बार मैं धन्यवाद करती हूं। साथ मिलकर हम एक उज्जवल और समृद्ध भविष्य की आशा करते हैं। धन्यवाद।
Thank you so much, ma'am, for your kind words. And now we are going to request Shri Uma Shankar Agarwal ji. He is the director of Agarwal Tough and Glass India Limited, to say a few words. Ladies and gentlemen, big round of applause.
गुड मॉर्निंग टू ऑल। अग्रवाल टफ एंड ग्लास इंडिया लिमिटेड के ओर से यहाँ उपस्थित सभी गण्यमान्य व्यक्तियों का हार्दिक अभिनंदन करता हूँ। अग्रवाल टफ एंड ग्लास इंडिया लिमिटेड के एनएससी मर्ज प्लेटफॉर्म पर लिस्टिंग समारोह के अवसर पर आप सभी की उपस्थिति इस क्षण को और ख़ास बनाती है। वो कहते हैं ना कि इफ़ यू वांट टू वॉक फास्ट वॉक अलोन, बट इफ़ यू वांट टू वॉक फॉर वॉक टुगेदर। आज कंपनी के लिए ऐतिहासिक क्षण है और सभी निवेशकों एवं हितधारकों को यह विश्वास दिलाते हैं कि भविष्य में हम सभी मिलकर नए आयामों को प्राप्त करेंगे। एनएससी इमेज प्लेटफॉर्म एमएससी कंपनीज के लिए विकल्पों की उपलब्धता एवं भविष्य की असीमित संभावनाओं के साथ बेहतर एवं दीर्घकालिक लक्ष्यों को प्राप्त करने के लिए प्रेरित करती है। आज के इस वर्तमान युग में सफलता केवल एक शब्द नहीं है, कोशिश, सच, विश्वास का एक स्वरूप है। सफलता केवल अकेले आगे बढ़ना नहीं, बल्कि सबको साथ लेकर चलना है। आप सभी का साथ एवं विश्वास हमारी कंपनी को और मजबूती के साथ आगे बढ़ने के लिए प्रेरित करता है। सभी टीम के सदस्य, मर्चेंट बैंकर, लीगल एडवाइज़र, एनएससी अधिकारी, बोर्ड में मेरे सहकर्मी, ऑडिटर, बैंकर, मीडिया एजेंसियां और सभी नियामक, हमारी यात्रा का हिस्सा बनने वाले सभी लोगों का एक बार फिर से धन्यवाद है। साथ मिलकर हम एक उज्ज्वल और समृद्ध भविष्य की आशा करते हैं। धन्यवाद।
Thank you so much, sir. Ladies and gentlemen, now it's a time to request Parvati Murthy ji. She's Associate Vice President, Primary Market Relationship, National Stock Exchange Limited, to say a few words about the event. Let's have a big round of applause to welcome Parvati Murthy ji on the dais.
Srimati Anita Agarwal ji, Chairman and Managing Director, Agarwal Tough and Glass India Limited. Shri Mahesh Kumar Agarwal ji, Executive Director, Agarwal Tough and Glass Limited. Shri Swapnil Sagar Bikhlani ji, Director, Cumulative Capital. Shri Uma Shankar Agarwal ji, Director of the company. All the other Board of Directors, the family members, employees, well-wishers and dignitaries present out here. All ladies and gentlemen, good morning and a warm welcome to all of you to the listing ceremony of Agarwal Tough and Glass India Limited. NSE is proud to welcome Agarwal Tough and Glass India Limited to our family of listed corporates, and this would be the 580th company to be listing on the NSE Emerge platform. A round of applause for that. The total market capitalization of NSE listed companies has grown, the NSE Emerge listed companies has crossed 213 lakh crores. And cumulatively, these companies have raised about 15,323 crores in capital. So you can see the kind of value creation which has happened by NSE Emerge listed companies. And from today onwards, Agarwal Tough and Glass India Limited is going to be an integral part of this platform. I'll share a bit about Indian capital markets. India is the 4th largest market in the world in terms of market capitalization at about 5.34 trillion after just US, China and Japan. The market capitalization of India-listed companies has grown about 113 times since NSE formed its operations in the November of 1994. Another interesting milestone which I'd like to share here is that we recently achieved a feat of 10 crore unique registered investor with 19 crore accounts or about 7.5 crore families. That's approximately 20% of Indian population directly investing in the stock markets today. And that is a testament of Indian investors' faith on India's entrepreneurial spirits and entrepreneurs like the Agarwal family here. The IPO of Agarwal Tough and Glass India Limited with an issue size of 62.64 crores has garnered a good response. We hope that today's successful listing of Agarwal Tough and Glass India Limited will inspire many more companies to look at the capital markets as an alternate for raising funds. We at the exchange are committed to facilitate fundraising opportunities for upcoming organizations to chart their growth stories and to make capital markets more accessible to all. I congratulate the entire team of Agarwal Tough and Glass India Limited, the team at Cumulative Capital, and all the other parties who've been associated with this IPO. Today's listing is a testimony of your hard work. Once again, NSE welcomes Agarwal Tough and Glass India Limited to its family of listed corporates, and we look forward to supporting you in all your future fundraising endeavors. Thank you. Jai Hind.
May I now request Swapnil Sagar Vetlani ji, founder and director of Cumulative Capital Private Limited, to say a few words.
Good morning, everyone. Thank you for joining in this listing ceremony of Agarwal Tough and Glass early in the morning. I welcome esteemed guests, NSE leadership team, promoters of Agarwal Tough and Glass India Limited, and all the dignitaries sitting on the other side of the table. It's an honor to stand before the lovely crowd here, and thank you very much to the promoters of Agarwal for trusting us with the responsibility of the sole BRLM. I had a privilege to look at very closely the growth journey of Agarwal Tough and Glass India Limited. They are turning visions into realities. This journey has been nothing but easy, as considering the growth challenges that we faced to encounter with NSE. All we have come out is successfully, and becoming public listed company is not easy. It entails not only the financial discipline, but also the growth opportunities, brand visibilities, so on and so forth. I would like to take the opportunity to express my deepest gratitude to NSE leadership team, promoters, auditors, each and everyone who has directly or indirectly been the part of this journey. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. May I now request CA Umesh Jethani ji, Statutory Auditor from Jethani and Associate, to kindly say a few words and address the audience. Sir.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, distinguished guests and esteemed investors and NSE representatives. I myself, CA Umesh Jethani, representing Statutory Auditors Jethani Associates, welcome you all to this listing ceremony of Agarwal Tough and Glass. On behalf of board and management, I extend my heartfelt thanks to everyone who are present here. Your presence is testament to the trust and confidence you have in the Agarwal Tough and Glass. We appreciate your support, which has made this accomplishment possible. Listing on NSE Emerge platform is a momentous achievement for Agarwal Tough and. It opens us new avenues for growth and provides the opportunity to grow faster. The milestone reflects that the hard work and vision with which the company's management, entire team, and stakeholders are working. And this marks a new chapter in the company's future. As auditors, we take pride in ensuring the accuracy and transparency of the company's financial reporting. Our commitment to integrity and compliance has been central to our work, and we will continue to uphold these values. We are grateful to NSE Emerge platform for this opportunity and to our investors, partners for their continued support. Together, we look forward to achieving even greater success, contributing to the growth of economic capital market. Also, I thank CA Rahul Khandelwal, CS Monica, and CS Aditi for supporting us, for preparing the documentation through which we are able to complete the NSE Emerge platform process. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. Moving on, may I now request Parvati Murthy ji, Associate Vice President, Primary Market Relationship, National Stock Exchange Limited, to kindly present the listing memento and the listing certificate to the promoters, to Mr. Mahesh Kumar Agarwal ji, promoter and director of Agarwal Tough and Glass India Limited, to Anita Agarwal ji, MD of Agarwal Tough and Glass India Limited, to Uma Shankar Agarwal ji, Director Agarwal Tough and Glass India Limited. So here we present the listing memento and the listing certificate by Parvati Murthy ji to the promoters. May I also request Parvati Murthy ji to please present the memento to Swapnil Sagar Vitlani ji, founder and director of Cumulative Capital Private Limited. So moving forward, we would also like to appreciate our efforts from our partners. So I would now like to request Mahesh Kumar Agarwal ji, Uma Shankar Agarwal ji and Anita Agarwal ji to please present a memento to Parvati Murthy ji, Associate Vice President, Primary Market Relationship, National Stock Exchange. May I have the memento on the stage, please? Thank you so much. May I request Mahesh Kumar ji, Uma Shankar ji and Anita ji once again to please present a memento to Swapnil Sagar Vitlani ji, founder and director of Cumulative Capital Private Limited. Big round of applause, everyone. May I request Mahesh Kumar Agarwal ji and Uma Shankar Agarwal ji to kindly present a token of love and appreciation to Dhanisha Advisory LLP. So may I request Dhanisha Advisory LLP to please join us on the stage. Big round of applause, everyone. the memento to Jigar Bhanushali ji, Vice President. Please join us on the stage. Ladies and gentlemen, big round of applause for her. Thank you so much. May I now request the dignitaries to kindly assemble here near to our listing bell. So may I request you all to kindly join us here as we are now left with just 1.5 minutes. Just 1 minute and some seconds. And at 9:59, we are going to start with the countdown. Everyone, please assemble with us here near to the bell. So it's 9:59 already. Soon we are about to begin with the countdown. Finally, the wait is going to get over. The moment for which we all have been waiting for so long. It's going to be there. We are going to check the listing price very, very soon. As you can see, our countdown has already begun. 30 seconds are left. So सभी की नजरें हमारी स्क्रीन की तरफ. 23 seconds to go. With 10 we are going to have the countdown all together. 17 seconds, 16, 15. Okay. 10 seconds to go everyone. 9, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Congratulations. Many, many congratulations to Agarwal Tough Glass India Limited and wow. 27% of gain here as we can see. What a wonderful issue price that we can see right there on the listing day. The issue price was 108 and now it is 135. Once again, congratulations on this fabulous listing ceremony of Agarwal Tough Glass India Limited. This calls for some music. This is such a proud moment for all the promoters, for the capable team. Thank you so much and many, many congratulations. This is such an auspicious beginning on National Stock Exchange for Agarwal Tough Glass India Limited on their listing. And moving forward, we are now going on with the presentation of mementos to our partners. May I request Mahesh ji, Uma Shankar Agarwal ji to please join us on the stage. Mahesh Kumar Agarwal ji and Uma Shankar Agarwal ji are requested to please join us on the stage. And may I request both of you to please present a memento to Manasi Patil, Vice President. Manasi Patil, Vice President, to please join us on the stage. Congratulations. Next, we would like to have Parvin Dhanesha ji, Senior Associate. Senior Associate, please come up on the stage. Next, we would like to welcome Sagrika Kapoor. legal advisor to the issue, TNS Law. Please join us on the stage. Sagarika Kapoor. Sagarika Kapoor, please join us. Please receive the memento. Next, we would like to have CA Umesh Kumar Jethani ji. We have CA Umesh Kumar Jethani ji, Statutory Auditor Jethani and Associates, Chartered Accountant he is. Congratulations and thank you so much for all your efforts and support. Next, we would like to felicitate CA Neha Jadon, Company Secretary. Heartiest welcome. Would like to present the next memento to CS Monica Gupta, SKMG and Company, Company Secretaries. Heartiest congratulations. We would now like to invite CS Monica Gupta from SKMG and Company. Heartiest congratulations. Next, we would like to have Sameer Sheikh and Ajay Rao. Mr. Ajay Rao and Mr. Sameer Sheikh, Registrar to the issue from KFin Technologies Limited, to please receive the memento. Mr. Sameer Sheikh, if you're here, Mr. Ajay Rao. All right, let's move forward. Banker to the issue, Axis Bank Limited. Any representative from Axis Bank Limited? May I ask you to kindly join us on the stage? Next, we would like to request Mr. Vijay Maheshwari ji, Zonal Head, HDFC Bank Limited, bankers to our company, to please join us. Shri Vijay Maheshwari ji from HDFC Bank. Congratulations. We would now like to have syndicate member Nikunj Stock Brokers Limited. Nikunj Stock Brokers Limited. Any representative from Nikunj Stock Brokers Limited is here. Please join us on the stage. Moving on, may I request CA Rahul Khandelwal ji, IPO consultant. Please join us. Let's have a big round of applause, everyone. Thank you. May I request CA Anurag Rajoria ji from ASAR and Associates, our IPO consultant. Heartiest congratulations. Professional consultant, to please join us on the stage and kindly receive your memento. So here we have CS Aditi Parmar. Big round of applause. Thank you. Thank you so much, sirs. Please take your seat. May I now request Swapnil Sagar Vitlani ji, founder and director of Cumulative Capital Private Limited, to recognize the exceptional contributions to the listing. So may I request sir to kindly present the memento to Parvati Murthy ji, Associate Vice President, Primary Market Relationship, National Stock Exchange. So here we're going to present the beautiful memento to Parvati Murthy ji. Let's have a big round of applause everyone. तालियों की जोर से आवाज आनी चाहिए. Thank you so much. May I request Swapnil Sagar Vitlani ji once again to kindly present the memento to Mahesh Kumar Agarwal ji, promoter and director of Agarwal Tough and Glass India Limited, and also to Anita Agarwal ji, managing director Agarwal Tough and Glass India Limited, and to Uma Shankar Agarwal ji, director Agarwal Tough and Glass India Limited. Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. एक बार जोरदार तालियां होनी चाहिए इस सक्सेसफुल आईपीओ लिस्टिंग के लिए, हमारे सभी प्रमोटर्स के लिए, हमारी सभी टीम मेंबर्स के लिए, जिनके एफर्ट्स की वजह से आज हमारा आईपीओ इतने अच्छे प्राइस पर लिस्ट हुआ है. थैंक यू सो मच. लेट्स हैव 3 cheers फॉर अग्रवाल टफ एंड ग्लास इंडिया लिमिटेड. एवरीवन, हिप 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 हिप. Last one should be more louder. Hip hip. That's great. Thank you so much, everyone. Thanks to our dignitaries. Thank you, Parvati ji, for joining us here all the way from National Stock Exchange. For now, this is Khushbu Kapoor signing off. I would like to invite you all for the brunch. Kindly enjoy the rest of the day with us. Thank you so much.